How's it going there, YouTube? Well, let's gonna see if I can get you guys a little cold crank start of this W4. It's not really all that cold out here. It's about 4 degrees above zero. Put a little gas in the starting tank because I wanted to start cleaning up the big fuel tank today. Now I'm right out of paint and I'm also out of primer too, so put a little gas in that starting tank over there, just see what she'll do. And I haven't had it running all week, so it's a true cold start. And I'll set you guys up on the old tripod here and try to get you guys a little cold crank start. I know back in the wintertime I tried to start it, battery was flat, but I had the battery charged. I'm pretty sure it'll start up pretty easy, but now you never know these old things. So anyway, here we go. Alrighty. Well, we know she's in neutral. Left this door open here a little bit so we get some air in here. Always in here. This out of the reason. Turn our battery switch on. I know it's got oil, I know it's got coolant. We've had the muddy boots on the tarp again. Not gonna need a whole lot of choke, but I'll give it a little bit. Because when it first starts, I don't have the throttle hooked up or anything right now, so wants a little bit of choke to stay running. Of course, the gas is turned on. Shouldn't take a whole heck of a lot. Usually about the fourth pull to go. Flood it up. Didn't get the choke on fast enough. Maybe it wants a little more. In reality, I only turned the motor over about 6 times there. Actually, about 3 full revolutions before it fired. I only did a half full on the crank, but I don't think I had enough battery to get it to crank over the starter. So that's right. This is not too bad to crank over. Fresh air in the shop here. I wanted to see too if my generator is charging or not. Might be a little bit rich in the fuel too, but these old tractors like their fuel, so. But it's also a little chilly. Like I said, it's only about 4 degrees outside, so I figured, well, it's not smoking black, so play with the carburetor a little bit when we get it outside and get things out of the way. pressure's up, so. Anyway. Big deal. I only stuck it up on there loosely anyway. out now that she's warmed up a little bit. I think it was just a little bit of steam from when it was just cold started. So. Seems to be alright. I don't think it's charging right now because I got the battery charger hooked up to it still too, but that's alright. Stand here all day and look at this. I was hoping to have this back together, have the steering column, the seat back on, the fuel tank back on enough I could back it out of the way and clean it up. Maybe get the old hard part to start here. Oh well, one of these days. Oh well. I got my rim clamps kind of painted up till I ran out of paint. I want to do a second coat and miss a spot there, but oh well. Maybe on the weekend Charlie's will be open. I wanted to primer my gas tank up today. I was thinking about cleaning this up, wire wheeling it and whatnot, but it's getting late in the day now, and maybe I'll do that tomorrow. I want to do the steering post too, but I think for now it'll be okay to run, but see if I can't get a bushing kit to go in there or something. But oh yeah, started doing my fuel cap there a little bit, so at least you can get stuff primered anyway. No big deal if it gets primed. I can clean it up and primer. That's good too. So anyway, I might as well shut this thing off. Usually I run out of fuel by now, but I guess I put a little bit more fuel in than I thought I would. Just like that. Actually, I wonder, well, start with the starter on it. Maybe I don't have enough juice in the battery just yet, but I don't know. We'll see. Warmed up enough now. It might not take much to get cranked over. Oh, maybe not. There you go. Well, what do you know? There you go. A little help with the battery charger, and what's up? The 6-volt starters always seem to do that. I don't know why, but oh well. It's enough of a racket for one day. Even though the old W4 is pretty quiet compared to the old hard part, but oh well. We'll get it out of the shop one of these days and get it. I kind of want to get it washed off actually and get all the overspray off and whatnot, but oh well. There's always another day for that. We'll get things cleaned up here. So anyway. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, what's left of it, and we'll see you on the next movie. Thanks for watching.